This one trading formula turned my entire P&L from a disaster into plus 327%, and I'm giving it away for free. Most strategies you find online are either overfitted, emotional, or pure hopium. I know. I tried them all. In the next 30 seconds.
29.
Okay,
28.
I'll show you the exact rules I used and the bot that now runs it for me. This system worked amazingly well in the recent chop, and it filters out 90% of the market noise. I'm DaviddTech. I build trading bots that eat hopium for breakfast. And I post the equity curves to prove it. You ever stare at a chart, heart racing, then exit with $12 profit only to watch it moon minutes later? Yeah, that was me. FOMO in, FOMO out. Full emotional circus. Until I found algo trading. It's not flashy, there's no magic indicator, but it's the first strategy that made me feel like a real trader, not just a degen with a TradingView subscription.
I'm the chosen one.
It gave me structure, rules, a system I could trust. And once I built a bot around it, game over. Here's the structure I use. 1. Baseline, trend direction. Think of it as your compass. Price above equals long, below equals short. I use a moving average, but you can test others. Just be consistent. 2. Confirmation indicators. This is where most traders go wrong. They stack indicators that say the same thing. I use 2 non-correlated confirmations. If both agree with the trend, we go. If not, pass. It's like getting 2 friends to sign off on your trade. No agreement equals no date.
No! God, please, no! No! No!
3. Volume or volatility filter. If there's no movement, don't trade. I use a volatility filter to skip sideways markets. Think ATR or fractal chaos bands. 4. Risk rules. SL and TP. Stop loss equals ATR based. 1.1x or 2x depending on setup. And I only take trades with proper risk reward. No let's just hope nonsense.
Don't be a fool!
Sorry guys to interrupt, but this one's worth it. But if you want my exact indicators, the optimizer I use to tune strategies, and a huge edge on fees,
Shut up and take my money!
you can get everything for free. All you need to do is open an account with Blowfin using the link in the description. Bonus 1, my custom built indicators. Bonus 2, the optimizer that finds the best settings for any pair or strategy. Bonus 3, reduced trading fees plus fat deposit bonuses. You don't need to buy anything, you just need a Blowfin account. Free tools, real edge, you're welcome. This system is mechanical, but I wasn't. I'd still override trades, I'd close early, skip setups because I didn't feel like it, or worse, revenge trade to fix a red day.
This is the worst!
Algo trading gave me rules, but I was still the weak link. So I did the only logical thing. I fired myself.
Oh, I'm such a
And hired a bot. Bots don't get scared, get greedy, get bored, scroll Twitter mid-trade. They don't ignore the system. They are the system. I built a bot that runs this exact algo setup with zero emotion 24/7 across 12 pairs. Now I just backtest, optimize and let it trade. No more 3 AM panic, no more checking charts while making coffee, just cold, calculated edge, executed perfectly. And right when I thought I had it nailed, Bitcoin dropped 10% in a week. Sideways volatility, news chaos. But my bot, it filtered every fake out, skipped garbage setups and still pulled 4 clean wins in a row. That's when it hit me. It's not just about rules. It's about rules you actually follow. Over 123 trades, this system returned plus 327% with a max drawdown under 10%. Here's the kicker. It's not magic. It's math. This chart proves it. Just look at how it times entries during volatility spikes and skips flat markets. That filter alone changed everything. NNFX turned me into a disciplined trader. Bots took that discipline and made it scalable. If you want to see how this actually trades in real time, I post my daily updates on a Google Sheet in the description. You can also get access to all my bots 100% for free. Take care guys and trade like a boss.
Come on, David, and once again he's gone to code a new strategy. He'll be back in just 5 minutes. RSI and MACD.